I ripped the lace on my wig, so we are gonna go in and we're gonna repair this together. This is definitely a learning experience. The exact moment this happened was I was sliding it back on my head, and instead of using the ear tabs to slide it back on your head, I picked it up here and I went back, and it just unfortunately ripped, which sometimes can happen with lace wigs. I need the front of this. I don't want to cut it down. So of course the first thing that I did was YouTube a video on how to fix this, bought the tools, and we are gonna go in and do this together. The first thing you're gonna need is some clear sewing thread. I found this on Amazon. It was super cheap, and I went for the extra thin stuff that is 12 millimeters wide. So it's pretty thin. I also have just a sewing kit that has some general needles, and I picked up a threader. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna start where the tear ends. So from the closest point, and you're basically gonna sandwich the lace together, and we're gonna sew that little part closed. Just to give you an idea of how thin this clear thread is, this is pretty thin, and that's also gonna make it more comfortable and not allow you to feel it when you put the wig on your head. For this method, I'm using a top stitch method, and I'm starting at the very end, and I'm just sandwiching the two pieces together, and I'm gonna start my sewing from here. So the thing to be careful of is not to get like your hair in it. You don't have to worry too far, but you don't go too deep into the lace holes, if that makes sense. If you don't know what a top stitch is, honestly, just Google. That's how I learned as well. I took Economics 101 in junior high, but I do not remember how to sew. So I literally Googled everything, and there is a YouTube video for everything, I'm finding out. So I basically just learned how to do a top stitch and saw a quick YouTube video on how to repair lace and put the pieces together. You can see here that I'm leaving a couple of holes on either side of the lace, on either side of my stitch. One thing to keep in mind when you are sewing is you want to reinforce at the beginning, and I forgot to do this. So you're going to make sure that you go in a couple of times and sort of stitch the same spot at the beginning and at the end. Again, this is just sewing 101. You can see here in the top stitch, it involves pulling most of the thread through, but then leaving a little loop and threading the needle back through that little loop. And that's going to create that secure knot in the top stitch. And of course here, don't worry if a little hair gets caught, just pull it out like I'm doing here.
Nature's Bounty has solutions to supplement all of you. Nature's Bounty, it's in your nature.
Let's fire up the processor.
It won't close that one.
It will not.
No. I tried. Okay.
I've literally had Anastasia yanked from me nearly every charter this season.
Let's make it a little finer.
I'll give him a break for one charter.
Try it.
No, I don't have to try things anymore. You're here.
Alright.
Sweet.
Wax girls. I love that man bun. I'm a total word.
Sorry, this queue is better than that. What is your name? I'm sorry.
Jack.
Josh. Wait, where are you from, Josh?
From Liverpool.
Liverpool?
Yeah.
I don't care what
You
you say.
understand me?
Sir, may I ask you again what type of knot is that?
It's a clove hitch.
Do you want to go get hitched with me? Oh, it's for you. Were you a model?
A model of you've been drinking, I've been here 2 months. But the big Kanga girl is giving me loads of attention. I'm not complaining about it.
I just do not believe no one's going to be making out with one of them. It's going to happen.
Jack has started working, and who would have guessed? It's not up to you each chapter of your life. Smart stuff.
What story will you tell?
T-Mobile has the best network. That's why there's no better place to get the new iPhone 17 Pro on them. Hold on. Is this big enough? We should have music.
So just slap the wig back on really quick, and this is the part that I repaired. So overall, it took me about 20 minutes. It was not hard at all. All you need is a sewing needle and that super thin, clear string that I ordered off of Amazon. That was literally like $4. And I think learning how to do things to your wigs, like bleach the knots, pluck the hairline, ventilate the hairline, repair the lace, will make your wigs last so much longer. And I am not a crafty person at all. I had to YouTube how to even tie a starter knot, like when you were sewing, how to end it. Like I had no idea what a blanket stitch was. So again, if I can do this, you can do this. So follow along for more tips and tricks.